In this video, I'm going to talk about how to generate $1 million by 2030 with these 5 businesses, these 5 different business ideas, these types of businesses, in other words, that require minimum or minimal upfront costs. So these are 5 ideas for sort of ambitious, creative people who want to generate $1 million by 2030, who are willing to put the money in, not the money, but the time. Sorry, put the time in, the effort, the creativity, and generate 1 million in revenues. It's possible, right? It's possible. It depends. It's all up to you. So the first one is by offering freelance services. The business idea is offer freelance services in a skill you excel at, such as graphic design, writing, programming, or digital marketing, right? These are some really good areas to get into and get noticed, and you have a potential to really make some big money. It's low cost entry because you can start with just a computer and internet connection. You use freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to get clients. Word of mouth also, networking, LinkedIn, just social media also. Okay, number 2 is affiliate marketing. And the business idea is that you create a niche blog or website and you monetize it through affiliate marketing by promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales. It's low cost entry because all you need is a domain hosting, which can be very affordable, and content creation skills. You can start with free marketing methods such as social media and SEO. So these are already 2 ideas. Let's see what else we got here. Dropshipping. So the business idea is you start an e-commerce business without holding any inventory. With dropshipping, you only purchase the product from the supplier when you make a sale. It's low cost entry because you set up an online store using platforms like Shopify, and then you find reliable suppliers. Marketing costs can be managed through social media and influencer partnerships. Including micro influencers, by the way. Don't overlook that because that's a new trend, micro influencers. And we did a video on that just yesterday, I think. The 4th idea is content creation and monetization. I mean, these can literally make you millions depending on how you do it, right? So the business idea is you create engaging content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or a blog, and monetize through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. It's low cost entry because you can start with a smartphone, literally, for recording, basic editing tools, and free platforms for content distribution. As your audience grows, so does your monetization potential. And number 5, you can try a virtual assistance services business. The business idea is you provide virtual assistant services to businesses or entrepreneurs handling tasks such as email management, customer support, or social media management. It's a low cost entry because you can utilize free communication tools, build an online presence through social media, and offer your services on freelancing platforms or through your website. So, while these business ideas require minimal upfront costs, success will depend on your dedication, and on your skills, and on your ability to adapt to market demands. So it's crucial to invest time in learning and improving your chosen skill set and providing excellent service and scaling your business gradually, okay? Because remember that generating $1 million by 2030, which is an ambitious goal for anybody, requires consistent effort, strategic planning, and adaptability to market changes. Okay, so it's not going to be easy, but it definitely can be done. It really is a question of how you go about it and what you're willing to do to achieve it. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe. See you in the next one.